What's the best loophole you've ever found? When my daughter Katie was diagnosed with leukemia at age 6, her one wish was to have a puppy. Our apartment building had a strict no pets policy, even though the sign only mentioned no dogs or cats. The thought of denying her this small comfort during treatment broke my heart. While waiting during one of her chemotherapy sessions, I noticed a brochure about therapy animals. That's when it hit me. The Fair Housing Act requires landlords to make reasonable accommodations for service and emotional support animals. I spoke with Katie's oncologist, who immediately wrote a letter explaining how an emotional support animal would benefit her mental health during treatment. When I presented this to our landlord with a copy of the law, his face softened. He admitted his own mother had battled cancer years ago. Not only did he approve our request, but he helped us surprise Katie when she came home from the hospital. We found Max, a gentle golden retriever puppy, waiting with a bow on our door.